Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Melanie's got laundry out in a unique way, drying, using all the chairs. I've got the GoSun solar cooker, cooking up some corn muffins from my homemade chicken scratch grain flour. That's a separate video. And over here we've got our plants out. Most of the plants are out in the sun so they can grow a little bit better. I don't know if my wintergreen is going to make it, but I did keep all the seeds, so we'll see how that goes. Our little apple tree from seed. But yeah, well, see what happens. I'm hoping that the lettuce type plants can pull out of it and start to grow. This one is starting to leaf out. This one is starting to leaf out. I hope they didn't get too spindly before we brought them out. Those guys, they didn't do anything yet. I don't know what they are, but they're alive and they didn't get spindly, so we'll see how it goes. I had 4 boxes I took out in the mail, so we had 4 sales in our Homestead store. That is definitely part of being self-sufficient, having our own business on our own homestead. So we did 4 sales last night online, and so I took and processed them this morning, and I had to take them into town. I'll tell you about my experience on the tactical channel at the end of the day review. So go check that out, TR Tech Tactical and Survival. I did not want to go out, but I had to. And again, that'll be on the tactical channel in detail. So we're doing a little cross posting back and forth, but I'm keeping my topics separate. So, well, beautiful day. I gotta start burning some of that power. I haven't been around much enough to do anything. I know she's been burning the power. I want to use some of that power. I'm sure we got extra power to burn with the sun bright on the panels like this. Awesome, awesome. Well, today, guys, we made muffins with the GoSun solar oven, which you'll find in a separate video. This is a totally separate video. This is chicken scratch grain, and this is horse feed oats ground into flour, and it turned out really great. But check out that video. That'll be coming up on the next day. So turned out really good, and we got a whole video for you on that. Check out the link below to get yourself your own GoSun solar cooker. We love it very much. Been using it for years. It is really serving us well. Today I made a chick brooder for inside the house. Oops, Michelle is jumping on my leg. Ooh, off balance. Let me set on my camera. I made a chick brooder and she kicks the camera. I set the camera down and she kicks it. The idea here is that this is a more permanent and better quality brooder that prevents the chickens from scratching out all their junk into the house, the babies. That's a whole separate video which you'll see in the next day or so, so watch for that. But I just wanted to show you what I was doing with my day today. Little update. I put milk crates underneath the chicken pen that keeps the cats from reaching in at all. Now it's higher. And now the chicken pen is level with the wood stove. And now the wood stove is only 100 degrees right now because we've got it damped down. So I arranged things inside so the birds can get over there and cuddle up at night if needed. And at night I'll probably shove that over closer, and when we heat up the wood stove I'll pull it away farther when we're cranking up the wood stove. Just before bed we crank it up, and then again in the morning. Other than that, it's about 100 degrees. So that's absolutely perfect. And we don't need any lights. So it's even more efficient for us. Perfect. And they're already snuggling in over there. It's perfect. Well, the shadows are getting long. The laundry is in. The solar cooker is put away. All the packages are off to their customers. The solar panels are in the shade. But what a day. It's hard for us to show you everything we did in a day. But what a day. What a day. Gonna go in and have a shower. Muscles are sore. It was go, 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 go for all of us today. Even Michelle was just running and playing, having a blast. Well, that's it, guys. Another day is done. It's 7 o'clock. The days are getting longer, which is great. It's 7 o'clock and the sun is still visible. But I'm still wrapping things up, and now I have to edit videos for tomorrow morning so you can see this. So, got some exciting topic-based videos coming up, so check it out, guys, and stay tuned. The animal feed grains that I ground into flour and made muffins with on the solar cooker, really cool project. It was fun. And the chick brooder, those will be separate videos coming up, so watch for them. And I'm really happy how that turned out. Michelle's loving it and the birds are loving it. So, a lot going on at the homestead. We're busy, we're back in full swing, and we're working the property full blast. Alright, guys, please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. Gonna be working on the solar panels again here pretty soon too. Gonna be working on the broken panels. I've got plans for fixing them up. Another day is done. It's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Talk to you later.